Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are talking about best cryptocurrency for investment in 2023. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Tether, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, making it overwhelming when you're first getting started in the world of crypto. To help you get your bearings, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization or the total value of all the coins currently in circulation. Number 10. Polygon, Matic. Market cap, $9.7 billion. Founded in 2017, Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, is a relatively popular crypto. It's dubbed Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Maybe that's why Matic supports more than 7,000 decentralized applications, dApps. Polygon has also experienced tremendous growth since its first launch. The initial price of Matic when it first launched was $0.00263. Today Matic trades at $1.11, a 42,029% gain. Number 9. Dogecoin, Doge. Market cap, $12.4 billion. Dogecoin was famously started as a joke in 2013 but rapidly evolved into a prominent cryptocurrency thanks to a dedicated community and creative memes. Unlike many other cryptos, there is no limit on the number of Dogecoins that can be created, which leaves the currency susceptible to devaluation as supply increases. Dogecoin's price in 2017 was $0.0002. By January 2023, its price was at 9 cents, up 46,777%. Number 8. Cardano. Market cap, $13.2 billion. Somewhat later to the crypto scene, Cardano, ADA, is notable for its early embrace of proof-of-stake validation. This method expedites transaction time and decreases energy usage and environmental impact by removing the competitive, problem-solving aspect of transaction verification in platforms like Bitcoin. Cardano also works like Ethereum to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, which ADA, its native coin, powers. Cardano's ADA token has had relatively modest growth compared to other major crypto coins. In 2017, ADA's price was 2 cents. As of January 31, 2023, its price was at 38 cents. This is an increase of 1,803%. Number 7. Binance USD, BUSD. Market cap, $15.7 billion. Binance USD, BUSD, is a stablecoin that Paxos and Binance founded to create a cryptocurrency backed by the US dollar. To maintain this value, Paxos holds an amount of US dollars equal to the total supply of BUSD. As with other stablecoins, BUSD gives traders and crypto users the ability to engage in transactions with other crypto assets while minimizing the risk of volatility. Number 6. XRP. XRP. Market cap, $20.4 billion. Created by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment processing company, XRP can be used on that network to facilitate exchanges of different currency types, including fiat currencies and other major cryptocurrencies. At the beginning of 2017, the price of XRP was $0.006. As of January 31, 2023, its price reached 40 cents, equal to a rise of 6,596%. Number 5. US dollar coin, USDC. Market cap, $42.7 billion. Like Tether, USD coin, USDC, is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by US dollars and aims for a 1 US dollar to 1 USDC ratio. USDC is powered by Ethereum, and you can use USD coin to complete global transactions. Launched in 2018 by Center, a consortium founded by Circle and Coinbase, USD Coin was created as a regulated stablecoin that runs on blockchain technology. Number 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Market cap, $49.3 billion. Binance Coin, BNB, is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Since its launch in 2017, Binance Coin has expanded past merely facilitating trades on Binance Exchange platform. Now, it can be used for trading, payment processing, or even booking travel arrangements. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. BNB's price in 2017 was just 10 cents. By late January 2023, its price had risen to around $312, a gain of 311,857%. Number 3. Tether, USDT. Market cap, $67.8 billion. Unlike some other forms of cryptocurrency, Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations. In theory, this means Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and it's favored by investors who are wary of the extreme volatility of other coins. Tether had a 24-hour trading volume of $89 billion at the time of this video. That makes Tether the most liquid cryptocurrency, beating even crypto market stalwarts Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. It's also among the top 3 largest cryptos by market capitalization. Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. Market cap, $193.9 billion. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to the end of January 2023, its price went from about $11 to around $1,584, increasing 14,301%. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Market cap, $445.5 billion. Created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, BTC, is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrencies, BTC runs on a blockchain, or a ledger logging transactions distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it's become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy one Bitcoin for about $500. As of February 2023, a single Bitcoin's price was around $23,108. That's a growth of 4,522%. These are the top 10 cryptocurrencies that you can invest in and make good amount of profit. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.